Hi there. In this short video, we will be discussing how yoga can help with mental health. Yoga is a form of exercise that combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and mindfulness to promote overall well-being. It has been found to have numerous benefits for both physical and mental health. In terms of mental health, practicing yoga has been shown to help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety, improve mood, and increase feelings of peace and relaxation. This is because yoga helps to lower stress levels and promote relaxation through its physical postures, breathing exercises, and meditation techniques. One of the key ways yoga helps with mental health is through its impact on the nervous system. The practice of yoga helps to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for the rest and digest response in the body. This response helps to reduce stress levels, calm the mind, and improve overall feelings of well-being. In addition to its impact on the nervous system, yoga also helps to improve sleep, which is essential for good mental health. The physical postures, breathing exercises, and relaxation techniques used in yoga have been shown to help improve sleep quality, which can lead to better overall mental health. So, if you're looking for a way to improve your mental health, give yoga a try. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced practitioner, there are many different styles and levels of yoga to choose from. With its physical and mental benefits, yoga is a great way to promote overall well-being and improve your mental health.